Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is grapefruit, and we'll be making grapefruit and yogurt parfait with toasted almonds and seared halibut over braised kale and grapefruit, onion, and toasted sunflower seeds. So these recipes sound great. I can't wait to get started. Where should we begin?
I have a little bit of oil, and here I just have some white button mushrooms. I just kind of washed them and quartered them up.
Okay.
I have some Tuscan kale over here. I'm just going to actually grab that and just kind of pull this right out.
That looks fun. It just comes off that easy,
It just comes
huh?
right out. I'm just going to roll this
One
guy.
stop cutting.
Yep, right up. And then we just come in here. So next we're going to do a little grapefruit supremes. So what I want to do is come in and kind of peel that off. So now I'm going to use this white line of the pith as my guide.
The grapefruits are very high in vitamin C, but what else?
It is. You know, you do get your vitamin C, and that's super important because it's going to help you with your immune system. But vitamin C also helps the body absorb iron, and so iron is the thing that helps us to not be anemic. And so kids especially, your doctor might have told you that your child's anemic to try to increase iron-rich foods, or maybe even have your child on an iron supplement. It'll get absorbed better if they have good vitamin C into their diet.
Okay.
I went ahead and I have some oil in my pan for our halibut, so I'm going to add a little fresh sliced garlic right in there. And we're going to go ahead and take a little bit of onion, and I'm basically going to kind of go on the bias there and follow that along. All right, so we're going to go ahead and start our halibut.
Okay.
We have a little bit of white pepper here. I always wait till I have the smoke point of the oil, and we're going to add our fish to it.
So grapefruit is really great for your teeth.
You're going to get you're going to get a little calcium from that too. We typically think dairy, and we're serving our grapefruit with yogurt, so you are going to get that calcium, but in and of itself, you'll get calcium from that. Kids, you have growing teeth, you have growing bones, calcium in their diet every day. If you put healthy things into your body, then you'll have healthier teeth and healthier bones and healthier weight and healthier digestion.
So you really are what you eat.
You are what you eat, and in this case, we're going to be grapefruit today.
And we just added our kale to the
right
sauté
into the
pan.
mix. All right, we're just going to kind of saute this up. If we want, we can start the parfait as our fish is cooking over here. This is super simple. I think the grapefruit is one of those things that's a little tough to get your kids to eat it. So we're going to add a little yogurt, and we're just going to kind of layer this stuff in.
And then maybe, I don't know, put a little nuts on there.
Yeah, put a little nuts on there.
If you're not allergic, don't, but...
I like to mix. We have a little orange.
Okay, we're going to mix our citrus.
That grapefruit can be a little acidic, so it's nice to kind of
adds some extra pretty colors to it and makes it even a little bit more fun.
All right, so I have a little stock here. This is just a little mushroom stock. Last, I would just drizzle a little honey right over the top there. I'm going to go ahead. I have a little sunflower seeds.
And you added some of the juice in there too.
Yeah, a little of the juice. I'll kind of turn this off. We're going to come in here. I'm just going to do a little season on the second side there.
Okay.
I'll go ahead and flip these guys over. Add a couple thyme sprigs. Again, just a little bit of sherry
Very
vinegar,
easy.
and a little bit of lemon. We're going to go ahead and just kind of give this a little baste. I'm just going to add a little bit of parsley.
And that's a nice base for any protein on top, really.
Right. I'm going to add a little bit more sunflower seeds.
Why don't we try the yogurt first?
Sounds great. So easy and so good. Get a little bit of that grapefruit.
Gotta get a grapefruit, exactly. And it's so colorful, the grapefruit, too. Nice.
Oh my gosh, you guys have to taste it. Chef, that's delicious. I know that's the child meal, but that's awesome.
That is delicious.